is Greg Orloff with IoT World, and I'm here with Frank Knotts at the Festo booth at Hannover Messe 2024. Frank, thanks for joining us.
Thank you for doing the interview.
Our pleasure, our pleasure. I want to talk to you a little bit about what Festo has going on at the show this year. Talk to me about the artificial intelligence component and how you're leveraging technology. What is Festo incorporating into the systems now?
I mean, everybody's talking about artificial intelligence. The background is customers want to have a smart factory. And what does it mean, smart? I mean, you create more content out of your data. And so I think this is now a real important topic entering the industrial environment. And we believe with artificial intelligence applied on certain elements, components, we can increase productivity significantly.
And I know you serve a tremendous amount of different market segments as well. What are some of the challenges you've incorporated in terms of trying to do that adoption and incorporation?
I mean, different markets have a different behavior. I mean, some markets are more traditional, it also depends on what competitive situation you're in, but I see now on a global basis the incorporation of software functions, of AI functions. I mean, like I said, this is the ingredient to boost productivity.
So productivity, talk to me a little bit about the circular economy, the whole sustainability aspect of this. So I know that's an important part of what you have going on with the Blue Planet Initiative. So speak to that aspect of it.
Okay, good. Circular economy, I mean, especially when we talk about batteries for automotive, I mean, we talk about expensive raw material, we talk about material that is hard to get and maybe not available long-term in the future. So we have to find a way also going into the recycling processes of batteries, and so we believe that there's a lot of potential. When we talk about cell manufacturing, there's still a lot of waste produced. So we have to find a way, an automated way, to do circular economy for this sort of products.
Outstanding. I know that when we talk about any of these principles, right, there's a certain amount of metrics that comes into this. So how do you folks go about measuring success? How do you judge whether you had a successful initiative, and whether it's the IoT aspect or the environmental piece of it?
I mean, at the end, the success is defined by economical results. But I mean, this is simple. But on the other side, it also has to do with loyalty. I mean, it's easy to win a project short term, but to constantly win it again and again and create a competitive advantage for our customers also helps us. So I think this is on a real super integrated level between our customer base and us. So we want to work very closely together. And at the end, the success is also when our customers are successful, they sell their machines, they sell their products, and they hopefully then buy more products from us.
Makes sense. Well, I appreciate the insight. Thanks. If anybody has questions in the audience and you want to reach out to Festo, we'll put a hashtag and some links in the bio here as well. So thank you, Frank.
Thank you, Greg. It was a pleasure.